Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon, how are you doing? This is Dan and this is Dan Tech Channel. So in this video, let's just discuss and see how much can you make on Forex with a certain amount of money. And that is between those ranges, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. How much amount of money can you make if you have those amount of money? So we are going to start this video after the intro, but make sure that you will subscribe to the channel, like this video, and turn on notification bell. You'll be notified anytime we just upload a new video. See you after the intro. Hello and welcome back. Now let's just dive into this matter. Let's see, for example, you have between 100 and above, or maybe you have like 50 to 100. Let me just clarify this for you. Actually, Forex, there's no certain amount of money that you're just going to make. You know, some people come and say, hey, how much amount of money do I need to invest into Forex? You don't need any amount of money. That is the number one. You have to note that you don't need any amount of money for you to start in the Forex. Actually, you can even start with $5. That is, you're using FX peso. That I know you can start trading even with $5, but you know you cannot start with the $5 because the moment the market actually goes against you with 500 points, then you are done. And when you are trading Euro USD, the market can even just go with the 2,000 points every day and all that. So that's how the market is very volatile. How much do you need actually for you to start in the Forex trading? Actually, let's say and ranges how much you're going to make in profit when you have certain amount of money. Let's say that you have between $50 to $100. Okay, you cannot actually, again, you cannot make specific amount of money, but for you to make this amount I'm going to mention over here, at least you have to be skilled enough to know you have actually learned Forex, you have traded for at least sometimes, you know how things, you know how games goes, and that is where you can actually start from. And actually it's very possible to make very large amount of money, but you know, the higher you are going to risk, the higher you can just blow your account. Blowing your account meaning that you are going to waste and lose all your money. But when actually you have between $50 to $100, the amount of money actually that you should target is actually between $5 or $2 and $10. If you have between 50 and that is $100, target between $5 to $10 every day. If you just make $5, just get contented that you just know you are on the line and you are going to trade. If you can just make that, because when you just make like 10, that is 10%, that is crazy. Have you ever seen in a farm where you can just invest your money and then you're just going to earn 10% every day? Have you ever seen anywhere going and putting your money and then at the end of the day you get 10% investment commission or whatever you call it? There is nowhere. But if you can just venture into Forex and just put that 10%, that is 2 to 10% every day, then that is good. So between when you have more than, let's say, 200 to 300, you can just target between 20 and 25 there. Okay, if you just have like 50 to 800 over there, you can just target like $50 40, 50, that's 6,000 Kenya shillings. If you have more than 1,000, that is between 1,000 to 2,000, you can target between 50 and 60. 50 and 60, don't go above that. Target between 50 and 60 or 40. You can just between 40 and that one. So you have your 100,000 there or 120,000, and if you can just make 5,000 out of that, then you're just good to go. Make 5,000 Kenya shillings if you have 100,000 Kenya shillings, and actually the risk is just going to be very small, and the amount actually you can just lose. Don't lose. If you, for example, you have 50 and $100, make sure that you don't lose more than $10 again. Okay, and don't lose than that, because if you just keep that track of maybe $2 or that every day, you'll be still learning, you will avoid greediness and all that. But if your account actually has more than $10,000, you can just target between $50 to $100 every day. That is more than 10,000 Kenya shillings and it's just going to be very amazing for you. So yeah, so if I will just come with elaborating this more in the next video, but let's see you in the next one. If you love this video, make sure that you like it. I would just like to discuss this topic more in the next coming video. See you next time. Bye bye.